Today I'm visiting the American Museum in Britain, which is located just outside Bath. Why am I here? Well, of course, there's got to be textiles involved. The exhibition hall behind me houses their latest exhibition. It's called Hatched, Matched, Dispatched and Patched. And I'm going to pop inside and meet Kate, who's going to show us around. I'm now inside the exhibition building and I've been joined by Kate Hebert, who's the curator of the museum, and you're responsible for this exhibition from start to finish, really, haven't you? It's
That's
been your
correct, yes.
idea. And the title is Hatched, Matched, Dispatched and Patched.
That's right, and it's an exhibition about textiles relating to major milestones in people's lives: birth, marriage and death. We're well known for our quilt collection, so it was a joy to be able to bring together this collection of textiles from our own collection, but also borrowing items from lending institutions around the UK. So we've borrowed things from the Quilters Guild, from Jen Jones Quilt Centre, from the Beamish Museum and also from Jersey Museum.